Love, Nanay and Claire. Hello, KaFam. Hello, KaFam. This is Nanay. This is Claire. Welcome to our channel. Welcome to Learning with Claire. Today, we're going to do how to make a paper flower garden.
Our DIY gardening simulation for kids. For today, ito yung aming old na packaging. It's like a egg tray. Pwedeng kayong gumamit ng egg tray.
Egg trays are good, KaFam. Our materials are popsicle stick, poster page,
Or any coloring materials.
color pen,
Cutter.
white paper,
And
green
green paper.
paintbrush,
And
and
water,
the
of
water.
course. And the last one is
glue.
So let's start. Let's
Yes,
begin.
yes. Step 1, we're going to paint this brown because I'm going to make this soil.
Yes, ito yung ating soil.
Yes.
Dito tayo magtatanim later ng flowers.
I'm so excited! We're so fast! So much fun! Let's wait for the tray to dry.
And while waiting, we are going to color our popsicle sticks.
Yes.
Ano color gani ang stem?
It's color green.
Green. We're going to color it green. That's how many stems we need?
19.
Are you sure? So we
Yes.
need 19 green popsicles.
Yes.
It's easy.
Oh.
Ooh, nice.
Pa, we're going to draw the flowers.
So we folded yung bond paper para to make sure na pare-pareho ang size ng ating flowers. So take into consideration nyo din yung spacing ng trays na magkakasya sila mamaya pag ipagtatabi-tabi natin.
Yeah.
We are going to color them with
Color pen.
and
Poster pen.
yay! For the flowers, meron kayong choice. Pwedeng mag-print out kayo, tapos i-cut na lang at back-to-back para walang masyadong gagawin. Pwede din na colored construction papers na yung gagamitin nyo para hindi na kayo mag-color. Pwede din na yung isang tray ay pare-pareho ng flowers. Kunwari, ngayong month ng January, gusto nyo puro lahat sunflower. Tapos February, puro lahat roses. So, depende sa inyo. But kami ni Claire, we are going to draw it. And we're going to paint it, no?
Yes.
Color. Oh, magko-color kami. We're going to cut it and we're going to have assorted flowers. So, kahit anong flowers muna.
For you and one for me.
Yes.
I'm gonna have to draw some rose. Did you practice?
Inshallah. So, we'll see na lang.
Going to draw a nice flower.
Wow. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, you're so very cute. I like it.
Oh, mo ng first flower mo.
Yes.
What's your next flower?
My next flower is, her petals is spiky. I like that flower.
Ah, alright.
You like it, KaFam? What a nice flower. Look. Nice
You like
drawing.
it?
Yes. I like your work, Nanay. It's very beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay, this is not easy. Okay, let me track outside. A secret. Many petals like a rose. Whoa! All ready to color the flowers, KaFam. My goodness, my heart is beating. And
Ano ka?
I like this
Happened to your
color. It's so
flower?
very light.
Wow! Bright pink.
Yes. Wow, cute.
Excited to plant our flowers. How about you?
I'm excited too.
Wow, that's nice. I like the color.
Yes. KaFam, you like my painting? Like it? Thank you. Let's glue the stem and the leaves and the flower.
Oh!
Cute.
Okay. Go! Done!
Yes.
Yes.
Time to cut our tray. Let's start planting, KaFam.
Okay, let's plant na.
Okay.
I want to start with my favorite flower. It's rose.
This one.
Oh, okay, let's plant them.
I'm going to plant here.
Ako dito.
May plant here.
Here.
I like it.
Wow.
I like
You
that.
planted.
Okay, this is my flower.
This is nice too. And more here.
And I'm going to plant here. Ooh, I like this, the blue one.
Nice. Ayun, nice. Ay, si Claire na nag-draw.
Wow!
We have a nice flower garden.
Oh, it's beautiful. Look.
Nice paper plant garden, Claire.
Yeah.
So what's your favorite flower?
I like sunflowers right here.
Ako syempre yung roses ko. Asan yung aking roses? Ayan.
What do you think KaFam? Comment down below. I hope you enjoy watching Learning with Claire. Tag us with your paper flower garden.